Want to sit? No. Ate, ate, what's your name? She's very intelligent. What's your name? What's your name, ate? Good. Okay. Are you tired? I'm tired. But you're not tired. My God. Can you remove this? I want to borrow. Can I borrow this? Can I borrow? I'm asking you. Wow. Please give them a round of applause. They are doing